Point of sale calculator app helps user to perform mathematical operations quickly and seamlessly. User can easily enable or disable virtual calculator in the point of sale screen from the point of sale configuration. So let's start with the point of sale configurations for the virtual calculator. So let's get into the settings. Under point of sale configuration, user can tick on the virtual calculator checkbox to allow a virtual calculator in the point of sale. So after enabling this option, we need to get into a point of sale now. Let's open a new session. User can click on the calculator button which is available to open a virtual calculator in the point of sale. And user can perform any mathematical operations using a virtual calculator. So which is very useful for the user to calculate any mathematical operations in the point of sale screen itself. So in this way, user can enable or disable virtual calculator from the point of sale. Thank you for watching.